Hey guys, I want to show you how I prep my chicken to save me time and save my life when I want to use it for things like fried rice, stir fry pasta, or any other meal. You know that feeling when you want to cook something nice, but you just get discouraged because you just remembered all the cutting and washing and blending involved? I hate that feeling. So what I do is I prepare and freeze some of these ingredients and just grab them from the fridge whenever I need them. It saves me a lot of time. And that's what I'm about to do with this chicken. So I start off by cutting my chicken breast into small sizes like this, and then I season with paprika, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt mix. I also add some ketchup and oyster sauce, then mix well and leave to marinate for about an hour. After 1 hour, proceed to cook the chicken by heating up a pan with just a little vegetable oil in it. Pour in the chicken and distribute them evenly around the pan. Make sure to cook this on medium heat. Now you are going to stir this continuously until the chicken has lost its pinkness completely and is now golden brown. Now the chicken has turned golden brown, as you can see, and it's all done. If you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on notifications so that when I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Okay, now transfer the chicken onto a fridge storage container. Let it cool down and then store it in the fridge for future use. I hope you found this useful. See you on my next recipe. Bye.